Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Kia Sportage, Kia Sorento, and you're guys trying to find, remove or replace upstream oxygen sensor, which is known as oxygen sensor bank 1 sensor 1 on a 2.4 GDI engine. Stay with us, we'll explain how to do that. You don't need to remove your engine to do that. We simply have it out due to the fact that we'll be making hundreds of videos that can potentially save you guys thousands of dollars. And with the engine being out, we can clearly show you where everything is located, and we'll show you with a great detail how to repair your car and learn how to fix it for free. So this should work on Kia Sportage and Kia Sorento different years. For instance, they start using it in early 2012 all the way to 2016-17 depending on the market guys. That's a 2.4 GDI engine. So before we start, let me introduce you to the channel. Every single car we get at the garage guys, we take them completely apart and we make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do all that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information to you. Also guys, if you want to buy parts or tools for a really good price and quick shipping as well, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all our tools and parts from. Specifically, this is an engine out of a 2013 Kia that we'll be demonstrating on. And with that being said, okay, if you have a Kia guys or other vehicle, check our main channel Auto Repair guys. We have videos that have helped more than 120 million people guys, that can save you thousands of dollars. So let's start on it now. So, before we start guys, many of you have been asking us in the comment section below to actually share what diagnostic tool we use to fix the vehicles here at the shop, and this is the one that we use the most guys. I'll put the link in the description of the video below. It works on almost any car you can think of. It's an all-system scanner that can pay itself off in one-time use. Key is right here, but this scanner guys, okay, check out the link if you're on the market for one. You can read more about it and you can find the functions that it supports as well, which is a tremendous amount of functions. So now looking at the engine, facing the engine, 2.4 GDI engine. Okay, you're going to open the hood on your Kia and you're going to have the intake manifold on this side. And if you come towards the back side of your engine guys, okay, right here will be the exhaust manifold. The oxygen sensors, they're located on the exhaust manifold. Why? Because the first oxygen sensor actually reads the fuel and air mixture ratio, so it can detect if you have lean or rich fuel mixture. Okay, that's sensor number 1 or upstream oxygen sensor. Sensor number 2 or downstream oxygen sensor detects if the catalytic converter is doing its job, so you're not polluting guys. So those are the two sensors. Now this is the one that we need to remove and replace. That's the upstream. Follow the intake, the exhaust manifold, excuse me, that's your upstream oxygen sensor or bank 1 sensor 1. Now if you follow the wire, it goes to these two metal clips here that hold it to make sure it doesn't touch the exhaust. Yeah, when you install it guys, okay, get the cable in later and press them in, okay, so the cable doesn't come loose, because if it does, it can be melted by the exhaust. And here, okay, you're going to get to the connector. Okay, you're going to see that's the connector and you need to press down, okay, and just disconnect it. Perfect. And you pull the cable this way. Now removing the sensor guys, it's way easier, especially when it's in the vehicle. There is a special oxygen sensor socket that we use, that one here, and I'll put the link in the description of the video below. It's not expensive at all, but it makes your life so much easier. Those things will be tight guys, usually really tight, to the point that you might need to get a bigger breaker bar too. So you can see, okay, we got it loose. You just unscrew it and turn the cable at the same time. If you want to see how to test upstream oxygen sensor, okay, we have a video on our main YouTube channel, Auto Repair guys. Check it out and it's going to teach you how to do that. But that's how you guys remove it. Replacement is exactly the same way. And if you need to buy one, we'll put the link in the description of the video below. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.